Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. So, after a long time we are uploading a video on lookup functions, and today we are going to learn how to use index function with match function. And these two functions independently we have covered in our previous videos. If you haven't seen them, please watch those videos before coming to this one. Alright, now let's start. First, let's see, before knowing how to use index with match, we must know why to use index with match, right? So we use them because of a drawback in VLOOKUP function, which is in VLOOKUP, whenever we get data from a data array, we can only get details from your right columns, not from left columns. So this was the issue, right? For example, we have our name here, that is banning nonce, and we use VLOOKUP function in this. VLOOKUP our lookup value, our table array, and my output column index number would be 3. See, so I just get my SS number from this table array. But giving a similar example, if you want to get from SS number your names that is on the left of the table array, not on the right of the table array, in that case you will not be able to use VLOOKUP for that. So that is a drawback that we have to recover from with the help of index with match. So let's see how to do this and how to get names from these SS numbers, the name of the employees from this table array. Alright, let's see. We will first use match. It is asking our lookup value that we will choose from here, and then choose our lookup array, that is our SS numbers only, and comma 0, that is exact match, and bracket close, enter. So we can see that it is telling us our this SS number is at row number 10, and this do not solve our problem, right? It is just telling us that where our SS numbers lies in this column, it is here, but we want our names. So how to get this? We will just add index function into this. Press F2 to go to the formula. Now go to the beginning of the formula, type index, bracket open. So it is asking us the array from which we want to get our data. So this is the array from which our table array from which we will get our data. Now it is asking our row number. So row number we can easily get from the match function, right? So this is the row number. We will do not touch this thing and just go at the end of this formula, press comma, and now it is asking us the column name, that is a column number. So it is asking us which column number we want from this table, from our table array. So let's see which one we want. So in our first column there are employee names, in second column there are compensation figures, and third column there are SS numbers, and we want here is our employee names, that is on first column. So we will type 1 and we will do bracket close and press enter. So see, it was that much easy. We just get our name of the employee that we wanted from this table array, and if we do not want employee name, we want like composition that is on column number 2, we will just type here column number as 2. See, as easy as that. And also, if you want to just drag this formula, we can just first press F4 on these cells to freeze this reference, and now copy this formula up to the last. Alright, so yeah, thanks. We will use XLOOKUP and XMatch in our next series, and till then, yeah, thank you, see you, bye.